company I work for, l'ABCI, was asked to work side by side with the OPT to help deploy the IPv6 here in New Caledonia. We accepted the challenge, and that's why I attended the workshop.
I attended the workshop because we are implementing IPv6 in our network this year. We have started to work on this for some time now. We wanted to confirm that we were going in the right direction by having an expert giving us the tools and the explanation needed.
There was a lot of important lessons. The part about security were the most important from my point of view, and also the tips about planning how to deploy IPv6. We already started to planning to deploy IPv6 on our network, but it's hard to say where we will be in the next few months.
Mostly the workshop on SDN, software-defined network, because that's something we may want to explore in the future, but also having a lot of professionals to talk to.
Besides what we will learn in the workshops and the presentation, I think the most important thing we will learn is how we mix pleasure and work here in New Caledonia. We will learn about the Melanesian and the French culture. We will swim into the biggest lagoon in the world. We will walk on the most beautiful beaches. And all that at a 20-minute flight or a couple of hours road trip.
First, they can see a beautiful French island, also the fiber network currently deployed by OPT, taste French cooking, but they can also see that the Pacific region is currently very different from Europe or USA. We have different issues from the rest of the world, and having the same needs from the internet, and currently having less population and less market to do so.